If you're looking for the best ignition coils, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. The first product on our list is curved boot ignition coil for Ford Lincoln Mercury. This ignition coil unit from INA is our top choice. It is created by the leading manufacturers of ignition machinery and equipment, so it is equipped with all the necessary design elements that aid in optimum performance. The curved boot ignition coil is designed for use with Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury models and no other vehicles. This model can be used on Ford vehicles, namely the Ford Excursion, Explorer, Expedition, and the F-150. The fit is excellent. This curved boot ignition product is placed over the original stick coils for better performance. They are made from the best grade of metals and materials, so durability and reliability are assured. Under extreme conditions, you can be assured that this ignition product will be well protected against abrasion and corrosion. When selecting one of these ignition units to purchase, we advise that you take into consideration the type of boots you have and whether they're curved or straight. With the curved boots coil, you will prolong the engine life. Key features: designed for use with the Ford Lincoln Mercury model. Works well as a direct replacement. Works well with new engines. Corrosion resistant. Specification: brand INA. Model: ignition coil DG508C1454C1417. Weight: 3.45 pounds. Pros: works well under any extreme conditions. Works well to get rid of misfires. Can help to lower emissions. Cons: slightly pricey. Not compatible with most vehicles. The second product on our list is ECUP ignition coils compatible with Ford Lincoln Mercury. ECUP takes the crown for its durable, affordable, and efficient tools. Out of all of its products, we recommend the ECUP ignition coils. These ignition coils do not break down with regular use. They are compatible with all Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury models, so you're assured of finding the perfect fit for your car. The ECUP ignition coils are simple to install and easy to replace. They are highly resistant to temperature, heat, and abrasion thanks to their heavy-duty construction. Enjoy a smooth running engine by getting these ignition coils in your vehicle. The ECUP coils produce a high energy output, which ensures that you keep moving longer miles without any issue. Key features: compatible with Ford Lincoln Mercury 1997 to 2017. High quality replacement. Maintains the old external look. PBT GF30 plastic. Specification: brand ECUP. Model: DG508 DG457 FD503. Weight: 2.96 pounds. Pros: highly resistant to high temperatures. Excellent after-sales service team. Easy to install. Cons: expensive. Comes as a set of only 6 pieces. The third product on our list is Delphi GN10328 ignition coil. All publicity is good, especially with the Delphi ignition coil. The customers and ardent users of this product have commented on its price and reliability, listing as the best ignition coil entity on the market. They recommend it for all car owners searching for the most economical option for their car engines. This product is the answer to all your prayers. It is built with knowledge on the working of every car engine, and it is engineered to cater to the health of your car engine. Every material used in creating this product is of a top quality for durability. The Delphi Ignition Coil Pack is a great product that uses high-quality wires and wire coating for its operations. It helps your engine resist cracks, imperfections, and pinhole, which can cause damage. Their length controls the cables between adjacent windings, thanks to the Delphi coils. The ability to control this length allows the ignition coil also to control the voltage demands and usage, as well as the pressure that creaks down wire coating and insulations. We recommend this unit for its 1-year warranty, and we assure you that you will never find a better deal than this. Key features: Delphi uses winding process techniques, engineered to original equipment specifications. Epoxy vacuum techniques. 8 in a pack. Specification. Brand: Delphi. Model: GN 10328. Weight: 1 pound. Pros: designed with proven materials, such as high-quality wires and wire coating. Long-lasting. Small and lightweight. Cons: might not be able to sustain hot or wet atmosphere. Difficulties in installing and uninstalling due to the curved design. The fourth product on our list is a pack of 6 ignition coils. If you love Honda cars, and you have a Honda Odyssey or Acura in your possession today, you can make use of this ignition coil. It is the greatest and most well-designed ignition coil put together by the best engineers in the world. They have merged all resources and technologies to create this little coil pack ignition unit full of wonder. The engine ignition coil comes in a pack of 6, and this offers you a lot of choices for your engine. They are made from the best raw materials for certified durability, compatibility, and durability. This pack of 6 ignition coils is resistant to corrosion and abrasion. It is the best replacement for your vehicle's engine because it understands how it operates and works in unison with the process to make work easier. Avoid engine detonation as much as possible by investing in the best products for your engine. One such item is the Honda-compatible ignition coil, a specially designed unit intended for use by Honda Acura vehicles. The price of this unit is very affordable, thus we're sure you would find the perfect model for your car. Key features: for Honda Accord Odyssey, highest grade materials, resistant to corrosion and abrasion, direct replacement/upgrade. Pros: supports a large number of old and new models, no misfiring, enhances the power output of the engine. Cons: supports only a few models. The fifth product on our list is King Auto Parts Ignition Coil. Our favorite ignition coil as an editorial team is the Motorcraft Spark Plug, a loop made for all Ford models in the world. Working with car brands can be tough and requires a lot of trust in quality and reliability. The Motorcraft Spark team has these traits and many more, which is why they work together with great vehicle brands such as Ford. Their Motorcraft Spark Ignition Coil is a global favorite among many Ford users, thanks to its conservative nature and outstanding performance. This ignition coil is unique in many ways. It features heavy-duty construction for longevity, with the use of top-quality materials for durability and higher market value. The ignition coil unit comes in a wide variety of colors of users to choose from. Some examples include green, red, yellow, and black ignition coils. If you ever need to change your ignition coils, give the Motorcraft Spark a chance to prove its worth. Key features: Motorcraft Spark Plug SP4794. Fit OI style copper ignition coils. Set of 1 PC, set of 8 pieces or set of 10 pieces. Customer choices of black, red. Specification. Brand: King Auto Parts. Model: DG508 Green SP479. Weight: 4.1 pounds. Pros: affordable, long lifespan. Corrosion and abrasion resistant. Cons: slightly pricey. Compatible with a fewer vehicles. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.